Okay. Even dressed like a killer. How am I even surprised?
You literally just got here.
And that's all the time I needed to not like you. Is this you?
What? No.
I just thought the picture was funny. Is this you?
Yeah?
2 days ago, we found the body of Brian O'Neill behind a dumpster, and we found further connection between you and the dead body, and we think you are the murderer.
My connection? You saw me walking down the road and arrested me. How does that make me connected to any of this?
You're stalling, just like all the killers do. Listen, I'm only gonna ask this once. Did you kill this man?
No?
What I also found was when we look at this journey, it actually begins early on when we were born. And it's a journey.
I did nothing. I swear you have the wrong guy. If anything, it was the guy outside.
Are you trying to trick me because there's nothing even there? Enough of these lies. Did you kill this man?
No?
Are you sure?
Yes?
Are you sure you're sure?
Yes?
Did you not kill
But
him?
we'll continue to maybe reach a point that at some point we need assistance and then it may end. In the future, the thing when you're doing
There he was again!
Keep this up, and I'm gonna put you in a holding cell.
If you don't believe me, just go and check.
There's literally nothing here. Whoa!
Hey there. Hey there.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hear the walking.
Ah.